Cell and cell organelles. Cell is the structural and functional unit of living organisms. Nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, vacuoles are the parts of cell. First question. What is between the cell membrane and the nucleus? पेशीपटल आणि केंद्रक या दरम्यान काय असते? And the answer is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid between plasma membrane and nucleus. Cytoplasm is a moving, sticky substance. Cytoplasm is the medium for cellular chemical reactions. Next question. Dash dash is a thin, fragile and elastic covering that separates the cell components from outer environment. And the options are cell wall, cell membrane, Golgi bodies and cytoplasm. Answer is cell membrane. Cell membrane is a thin, fragile and elastic covering that separates the cell component from outer environment. Cell membrane is said to be a selectively permeable membrane as it allows some substances to enter the cell while prevent other substances. Next question. Who controls all the functions of the cell? पेशीचे सर्व कार्य कोण नियंत्रित करतं? Nucleus, cell membrane, Golgi bodies, and answer is nucleus. Nucleus controls all metabolic activities of the cell and also the cell division. Nucleus is involved in the transmission of hereditary characters from parents to offsprings. Next question. Which part of the cell produce energy so they are called powerhouse of the cell? पेशीचे कोणते अंगक ऊर्जा तयार करतात म्हणून त्यांना पेशींचे ऊर्जा केंद्र असे संबोधतात? Nucleus, cell membrane, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. And answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria produce energy-rich component ATP, synthesis proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, etc. by using the energy in ATP. Next question. Who makes the necessary changes in the proteins produced by ribosomes and sends them to the Golgi bodies? राइबोझोमने तयार केलेल्या प्रथिनामध्ये बदल करून त्यांना गॉल्गी पिंडाकडे कोण पाठवते? Answer is endoplasmic reticulum. The organelle which conducts various substances inside the cell is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum has a net-like structure. Next question. In animal cell, which cell organelles store waste products and food? Vacuole, cell membrane, mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. And the correct answer is vacuole. Vacuoles are storage sacs for solids or liquid contents. They don't have any typical shape or size. The structure of the vacuole changes according to the need of the cell. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कमेंटमध्ये या घटकावर असलेली क्विज सोडवा. त्याचप्रमाणे व्हिडिओ खाली लाल रंगातील सबस्क्राइब या बटनावरती क्लिक करा म्हणजे तुम्हाला नवनवीन व्हिडिओ उपलब्ध होतील. धन्यवाद.